everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Julz, also known as St. Julz, and today we're going to be doing a men's Ugg unboxing. Okay guys, so I recently purchased the new men's Neumel Flex Uggs in the shade Chestnut. I got these in a size 12 because they didn't have a size 11. I usually wear an 11 in Uggs just because I usually wear an 11 in Uggs just because like the fur flattens down and the shoe stretches out so it conforms to my foot pretty nicely. I purchased the men's short Uggs in a 12 and they were really big, so I was like pretty hesitant about getting these ones, but just because of the design of the shoe, the lady in the store told me that it's better to go a size up just so it's easier to put on, and like the fur still works, but it's just like, you'll see what I'm talking about once I start the video. So let's just jump right into it. So opening up the box, you just have the regular like Ugg wrapping paper. Pretty normal, but so you usually have like the regular Ugg wrapping paper. When you open it, this is how the shoe comes. This is the right shoe, I believe. Yeah, this is the right shoe because it's the one I tried on. But yeah, so when you first take the Ugg out, this is how they look. It looks like the regular Neumel ones with the like laces and everything, but these ones don't have laces. So with these ones, it actually has the Ugg logo on the side of the shoe. It's not on the back, it's on the side this time. They're two-tone, so they're chestnut, and they're also like this like really light cream material or color. Yeah, a cream color. I can't talk. And the front of the shoe, instead of having laces or instead of it just being like the regular Ugg shape, it has this like elastic band which makes it, ooh, I don't think I was supposed to do that. Yikes. But yeah, it has like the regular like flex material. And on the back it has like the Paddington little like design thing. Yeah, like I was pretty happy with this purchase. And the bottom just has like the regular Ugg thing. I was pretty happy with these shoes just because like I've seen them and I haven't seen anybody with these. I haven't even seen these online. Like these weren't even on a Ugg website. So that's why I'm like, should I get them? Should I not get them? Should I get them? Should I not get them? I got them. I'm pretty happy with these. I'm actually going to try looking online just to see if I can find these in my actual size before I wear these ones. Because if I could find them in my actual size, I'll order those, see how they fit. If not, I'll just return the other ones or these ones. But yeah, I got these shoes. I'm not new to Uggs, so I know my size, I know how they fit, I know how they work and everything. But it's like yearly I get a new pair just because I always get this color, and with this color always comes stains, always comes dirt, always comes this, always comes that. So this time I came and I got the Ugg Care package. It comes with like the protector, the conditioner cleaner, the shoe renewal, the suede brush, the suede eraser, and it comes in a little box like this. It has the brushes and everything to help clean it, and it gives you instructions on what everything is for, as you guys can see. Yeah, so I'm definitely planning to take care of this purchase. Yeah, because I'm not about to keep dropping $100 on like boots that only last for like a month in the winter time. But yeah, so I'm definitely gonna like be careful wearing these ones just because of the bottom part is not like the regular color of the Uggs like every other shoe is. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited about that. I did use a coupon on these shoes. I actually have uni days, and that gives me like percentages off at certain websites and certain stores in store. So yeah, I'll definitely link my information down below about the shoe itself, the size I got. If I could find a link to the actual Ugg website or the website that I used, or correction. So I'm gonna link down below the actual shoes that I got from the store. The Unidays code that I use, so that way you guys can use it as well if you guys want to purchase this, because these are originally $129, but I paid like $120, $119 for them just because of the coupon. Also with the cleaning kit as well, I got this on sale just because of the coupon that I used. So I'll definitely link all that information down below. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about the shoe or how they fit, be sure to leave a comment down below. Also subscribe to my channel. It's free. Share this video with a friend, give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below other videos you guys want to see. I'm always interacting with you guys in my comments. Also follow me on Instagram. It's going to be in the description bar as well. That's like a quick way to like get in contact with me. And yeah, so that's pretty much my Ugg review or unboxing. I'll give you guys a review in like 2 weeks once I wear these, or once I order the other ones. Yeah, I definitely have plans for like a styling video on how I style men's Uggs. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, just comment down below. and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching, guys.